You might be doing everything right in Forex, but still losing because of your broker. Many traders in Nigeria struggle not because Forex doesn't work, but because they use brokers with high spreads, slow execution, or weak regulation. These hidden issues can quietly drain your profits. In this video, I'll break down the best Forex brokers available in Nigeria, trusted by traders worldwide. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader looking for better trading conditions, this list will help you choose the right broker for your trading style. Let's get started. How to choose a Forex broker in Nigeria. Before choosing any broker, here are the key factors every trader should check. Regulation and safety. Always trade with brokers regulated by trusted authorities like ASIC, FCA, or similar regulators. Regulation helps protect your funds and ensures fair trading. Trading platforms. Reliable platforms like MT4 and MT5 are essential for fast execution and advanced market analysis. Spreads and costs. Low spreads and transparent fees matter, especially for frequent traders. Hidden costs can slowly reduce your profits over time. Leverage options. Flexible leverage is popular in Nigeria, but higher leverage also means higher risk. Choose a broker that allows you to manage exposure wisely. Customer support and withdrawals. Fast withdrawals and responsive customer support are crucial. A good broker makes accessing your money simple and stress-free. Here are the best Forex brokers in Nigeria in 2026. FP Markets, 8Cap, Okta, Tickmill, IC Markets, FX Pro, FBS, Focus Markets, XM, AXI. Check the link in the description below to open an account with the best Forex brokers in Nigeria for 2026. These are the top Forex brokers in Nigeria for 2026, offering low spreads, fast execution, and powerful trading platforms for traders of all levels. First, FP Markets. Regulated by ASIC, FP Markets offers MT4, MT5, and K-Trader with very low spreads on raw accounts and fast execution. Best for scalpers, day traders, and professionals. Second, 8Cap. An ASIC-regulated broker focused on transparency and modern trading tools. Supports MT4 and MT5 with competitive spreads and access to a wide range of Forex pairs. Best for beginners and intermediate traders. At number 3, we have Okta. Popular in emerging markets, Okta offers low minimum deposits, MT4 and MT5, and beginner-friendly education. Best for new and low-budget traders. Number 4 on our list is Tickmill. Regulated by the FCA, Tickmill is known for ultra-low spreads and fast execution on MT4 and MT5. Best for scalpers and algorithmic traders. At number 5, IC Markets. One of the largest global brokers, regulated by ASIC, offers MT4, MT5, and K-Trader with institutional-grade liquidity. Best for advanced and high-frequency traders. Coming in at number 6 is FX Pro. A long-established broker with multiple regulations, offers MT4, MT5, K-Trader, and a proprietary trading platform. Best for stability and multiple platform options. At number 7, we have FBS. A globally recognized broker offering flexible leverage, low deposits, and MT4 and MT5 support. Best for beginners and flexible traders. Rounding out our list at number 8 is Focus Markets. a newer broker offering MT5 with competitive spreads and transparent pricing. Best for traders exploring modern, emerging brokers. Number 9, we have XM. Highly popular worldwide and regulated by multiple authorities. Known for zero requotes and strong educational resources. Best for beginners and intermediate traders. Number 10 on our list is AXI. An ASIC-regulated broker offering MT4, tight spreads, and a clean trading environment. Best for traders who prefer simplicity and low costs. Best for beginners, XM, FBS, Octa, 8-Cap. Best for scalpers and pros, FP Markets, IC Markets, Tickmill, AXI. Best for long-term trust and platforms, FX Pro, Focus Markets. For opening an account with the mentioned brokers on the video, please visit www.topfxbrokersreview.com. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe for more trading breakdowns. Trade smart, trade safe, and I'll see you in the next one.